Hello, scrubbers. I gotta make a run up to the city to the Indian clinic to pick up my meds. They said they got 5 meds ready for me, so a lot of them they mail to me, but actually I think 2 of the 5 they probably mail to me. But the Ozempic for my diabetes, the Jardiance for the diabetes, and then my glucose monitors they don't do on mail order, so I have to go pick them up. So I got these 2 buckets of copper here I thought I would take along. I got some more copper ready, but well, kind of ready, but not really enough that I want to part with it yet. Here in the kitty room, I got a little bit of number 1 in the yellow bucket, a little bit of Bear Bright, and then the tall white bucket's got number 2 tubing in it. So I got a little bit of a stash right there. This one here is all die cast. It's almost getting close up to the first ring. So let the cats out. They don't get in any hurry. So I'll go ahead and put these on the scale, kind of get an idea. I have not called, so I don't know what they're paying at this moment. I hope they're paying good. I guess we'll see. I'm not going to lock that in. Okay, the orange Home Depot bucket. Bring you guys over here so you can see it. 27 pounds, 13.8 ounces. So 2 pounds for the bucket, so we're saying 25 pounds. $25.5 pounds roughly. 25 3/4 actually. And I'll put the green one up here. It's a little heavier, I do believe. So 25 pounds, that's somewhere around $75. And 45.2, so we'll say 43. Close to 130 right there. That should be pretty close to a $200 run. So I'm going to load that up and we'll run it up there to metal check and get it sold. Sitting there looking at that thing kind of teetering a little bit. I'm thinking, man, that would be a mess if that fell over and dumped all over the floor. Picking up strands of copper for months. So I'm going to go ahead and call the first part of this video done, and we'll get it on the road and get to the city, get this sold, and then I'll run and pick up my meds, and then we'll get back and and wrap this video up. So we'll see you soon. We are back from the scrapyard. Well, had a gross of what, 73 pounds. 2 pounds per bucket, and I ran off and left my buckets there at the scrapyard. I do that occasionally. So we had a total of 69 pounds of copper at $3.35 a pound. So hey, that's came up a little bit, I think, from the last I sold. So we had a total of $231.15. Not a bad payday at all. So I put 30 in the gas tank on the way back, put me a little over half a tank. So that wasn't too bad of a payout. The plan is now to start working on this pile of motors here. And that's just got a bunch of wire in it. I might start with that since it's right there in the front, and then try to get into a bunch of these motors. I know there's a couple with aluminum windings. I'll try to get them broke down and take the stators and get a milk crate in here, start putting the stators in a milk crate, and we'll go from there. Try to get the pile cleaned up. I'm getting a few little compressors built up. I need to get into that bucket right there too, little motors, and get them cleaned up. And I got another 5-gallon bucket in the other room that's full. So I need to attack those things. So it's not enough hours in the day, so do a little here, do a little there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Wasn't a whole lot to show you, just making a copper run. But I know prices vary across the country and from country to country. Canada, I hear they're really getting a really good price up in Canada. So shred is dropping a little bit. The scrapyard, I kind of scratched my head in disbelief. Guy ahead of me had two kind of like trash cans on wheels, kind of the square ones, tall square ones, full of copper tubing. He does heat and air work and whatnot, and they just dumped them onto a pallet. They put cardboard down on the pallet, but no Gaylord boxes. I thought, what in the world? Why don't they have Gaylord boxes? Some kind of big tote or something to put them in, but they're just dumping them on pallets and then stretch wrapping them. That's insane. I don't know if the scrapyard's having financial difficulty. They pay better than anybody else, so I imagine their profit margin's a little lower, but I don't know. I just scratch my head and wonder. I got out here the other day and tore into that corn head, got a lot of the shred off of it. Now I'm down into the heavier metal, and that thing is still too heavy to pick up with the tractor. The tractor still won't pick it up. So got to do a lot of disassembly, maybe some more cutting, but yeah, that thing's gonna eat up some time. A summertime project. I probably should be out working on it today, but I want to try to tackle this deal of motors. Looking at that pan, we got quite a bit of rain yesterday. Didn't quite fill the pan up, but close. Anyway, I'm going to end this video and get started on this stuff. I still got stuff over here in the tote also. Try to clean a little bit of this up. Yeah, I got two of those little fan motors up there. I want to thank everybody for watching. If it weren't for you guys there commenting and watching the videos and stuff, I think I would have gave up on this channel a long time ago. But you guys keep inspiring me to keep it going, and even through tough times with my knee giving me trouble and everything else. So I want to thank everybody for watching, and thank you for being there for me, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy scrapping. Bye bye.